Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 2 novembre and I'm going to tell you what we did today. So our first thing we did, of course, is what we do every day just about, is we do our warm-up. So you were to look at this painting by Monsieur Degas. You were to write this on page 44 of your notebook. This was your 5-minute writing activity. And just tell me what you think and feel or describe it, whatever. And then we read it to each other, to our groups, to people in our groups. So that was after 5 minutes. Once we did that, we finished up doing the schedule, our cousin's school schedule. So I am going to go there just so that you know where it is. Remember that the school schedule is right here, the class schedule of my cousins. So here's the schedule. And they finished up this handout. Remember, I couldn't, the handout's done differently, but the questions are actually on the handout. But here are the questions. All right. You can print these off of my webpage if you need to, okay? But we finished that up and we turned that in, and those of us who had time, those classes that had time, fourth period, of course, was only 40 minutes, so we didn't do that. But we finished that. We also did our gallery walk for a quiz grade, and that is, where did I put it? Gallery walk 2. So this one was for a quiz grade. Each person got this handout and walked around and matched the clocks with the sentences. You need to come in during power hour and make this up if you were absent. So we did the warm-up, we did the gallery walk, and then we did our class schedule, the cousins class schedule. And if there was time left, I think most of 6th period got all of it done, but we did clock flashcards, and I gave each person an envelope and 2 blank flashcard sheets. And what we did is we copied these down onto the blank squares. This was all on one side, and then on the other side we copied this down just like you see it. And then on the second page, we copied these down, these times down, and then this. And then on the back, we copied what they were in English. So then after we wrote them down, we cut them out and we stuck them in our envelope. So that's all we had time for today. And I know that 7th period is going to need to finish the flashcards Monday. 4th period is going to have to do the flashcards. So 6th period is the only class that is kind of ahead. So anyway, bon weekend. Au revoir.